So until now, every time we talked about the Pocket 4 Pro, we were reacting to rear-facing images, big vents, a bulkier looking body, a very clear "this is the Pro" kind of presence. And naturally, we all assumed one thing: this thing is going to be noticeably larger. But now we finally see it from the front, and suddenly that confidence wobbles a bit. From this angle, it doesn't look nearly as big as we expected. The grip doesn't suddenly turn into some thick Pro handle either. Most of the body already felt slim in earlier leaks, but the moment your eyes move up, the gimbal is where things change. From the back, it looked chunky. From the front, it looks restrained. So what's going on? There are a few very real possibilities here. First, perspective and lighting. Slight changes in angle, focus, or contrast can completely shift how thick or slim a device looks. Softer, flatter shots smooth out edges and compress depth, while clearer, higher contrast images make the same hardware feel more substantial. So when proportions don't line up across images, it's usually not a design change. It's just how the camera and lighting are shaping what we think we're seeing. Second, where the bulk actually lives. DJI may have concentrated the extra size around the gimbal and upper camera assembly, where the vents are clearly visible. And rather than spreading the cameras side by side, DJI stacked them vertically in the gimbal. That adds depth and height to the head, not width, which is why it looks controlled from the front but more substantial from other angles. That's why it feels less big than expected, even though it clearly isn't small. And third, this might be the most important, DJI may be deliberately hiding the Pro nature in plain sight. If you're DJI, you don't want the Pocket 4 Pro to feel intimidating. You want it to handle like a Pocket, even if it performs like something bigger. So keeping the front familiar while letting the rear do the heavy lifting actually makes a lot of sense. What this image really confirms isn't size, it's intent. The Pocket 4 Pro isn't trying to look extreme, it's trying to stay pocket-sized while doing more behind the scenes. Right now, we don't have much to add on specs department. Our previous video still holds good. I don't want to waste your time repeating the old stuff. With that said, we end our video. Peace.